Basically do it. You're putting a bit of extra icing on yours, extra more candles. You know how we talk about putting icing on the cake. So you've just put a bit extra on. You see, you've probably got some. You might have some pink flowers or something around the outside instead as well. So okay, righty ho. Let's have a. Yep. Oh, yep. Now it might be too fast. I don't know about you, but I think it's far too fast. Sorry?
I think I actually went faster than that.
Did you? Goodness me. Well, I think we'll just go. I think we'll just go about. Let's. Oh, hang on. I should have done that first. Let's turn it to this one. We'll just go to 170, and I'll just get my book so that I can write this down because I've left it out there. Try that and see what that sounds like. Okay. That goes to the loo in the middle of the piece. I was stood at the door. No, I could hear it all. I was actually standing out there for most of the time, but I didn't want to come in the middle of what you were playing. So I did hear it all. Very good. So you didn't actually get faster when you got the backing with you. You didn't get faster when you got louder. So that's really good. Just wanted to check my book that I hadn't forgotten to do anything. So okay. So which Winter Wind Blues Prelude? So we just about finished it, have we? This book. Not quite. Did you bring any theory for me, by any chance?
You didn't.